Monday.com Workforms tutorial. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about Workforms tutorial here on Monday.com. So if you need to make a work from uh, here on Monday.com, you just need to follow this video, and by the end of it you'll know how to make a work form. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you will be redirected to this home page. Now here's a board that I'm working on. We can just open this board right here. And here we can add our work form. So how can we add it? We need to click on these three dots right here. Oh, sorry. We need to click on this plus icon right here. I always confuse this with this, but never mind. We need to click here and we need to come here and select form. So it's as easy as it is. So once when we select it, a sample or new customized form will be made for us right here, and it's actually taken from the data. It's always taken from the data from our main table. So the things that are contained in our main table will always be in this form. So if you need to add more information to it, you need to add more columns to your main, I would say, table, and it will be presented then right here. So let's just delete this for a while. So there's more space for us. So if we need to add more details, we need to add more columns right here. But anyhow, let me just describe you that this is our main form. And if we need to edit this form, we can just click right here, and uh, we can add a welcome page if we want. We can add a logo if we want. We can change the name of this form if we want to. We can write the name and status, which status we need to select, and date, and just submit right here. And this is the thank you page. So this is the main gist of creating a form. But let me just come here. You can change the color of the background by clicking here, and you can use a custom color that you feel like using according to your needs, or you can use the standard colors that are right here. You can use them as well. Pretty easy and self-explanatory. Or you can also use an image in the background. That's completely up to you. Moving on, you can change the format of these uh, uh, forms right here. And you can also change the form layouts if you want. You can adjust the sizing and all that, the orientation and stuff. You can add a text file if you want, and we can align the text here if you want to do it. Moving on, you can uh, allow submitters to make multiple entries. These are the basic settings, or they can save as draft. If they want to be anonymous, they can. Recapture challenge if you want that or not. Response limit if you want to have a limitation on the responses. Close date, we can also schedule a close date, and the language as well. And you can also tweak with all these settings here that are present here in the settings tab. But anyhow, moving on, so these are the main things that you can do in this form right here. And you can copy the form and you can share it on social media, or you can send this link to anyone that you want to look at this form, or to review it, or to put data in it. That's completely up to you. But this is the basic gist of using a form, and also of creating a form as well. Allow submitters to view and download their submissions. We can also turn this on. There are countless settings, I can say that, countless settings which we can use. So this was how you make a form. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.